Hi everyone, it's Heidi and welcome to Tip Tuesday. And today I'm going to share with you a recipe that is called scalp spray. I've been using it and I just thought, well, since it's going to be a little bit cooler now and maybe our scalps are going to be a little bit more itchy or something like that, this scalp spray might help. Maybe you have a spot of hair that you want to regrow or something like that. So I'm just going to give you this quick recipe. Basically, just take a spray bottle. You add 5 drops of lavender, 5 drops of cedarwood, 5 drops of tea tree, and 5 drops of Ylang into the bottle, and then you just fill the rest of the bottle with water. Lavender, it can help soothe and protect the skin. Cedarwood is good to help promote healthy skin and scalp. Tea tree helps promote normal healing of the skin, and Ylang is known for promoting hair's normal shine and luster. And the other thing that Ylang is known for is balancing male and female hormones, so that's not a bad thing either, is to get things balanced that way. So it's really easy. Just stick those four different oils, 5 drops each, into a spray bottle, add water, and then when my hair is wet, I just lift it up and spray it on the scalp all over the place, and hopefully you'll have an itch-free winter. Hope this was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll post the recipe below, and we'll see you next time.